Hi everyone, back on your channel again. Myself is Chef Yogesh, and this time we're going to see is chicken fried rice, which is again an Indian style chicken fried rice recipe. We have here a chicken supreme, which is a boneless chicken. We have rice, which is boiled again. We have chopped garlic, chopped ginger. We have some diamond cut spring onions. We got some salt and pepper for seasoning. We got some green chilies, some soya sauce, some vinegar, and again a little bit of aromatic seasoning for the taste enhancer. So let's go. I'll show you exactly how to cut a chicken for fried rice. Slice the chicken lengthwise. Our chicken is ready, and let's start with the chicken fried rice. Pour in a little oil. Little bit of garlic again. 1 teaspoon of ginger. Now we're going to add all the chicken. Add a little salt, a little bit of black pepper, if you want to make it a little bit more nutritious, you can definitely add in more of a vegetables also. A little bit of chilies to make it a little spicier, and a diamond cut spring onions. The chicken is almost cooked. Add up your rice. Pinch of soya sauce again. Make sure you're not adding too much of salt, because soya sauce is always salty. Little enhancer. And there your chicken fried rice with nice chunks of chicken is ready to serve. For the chicken fried rice, if you want to make it a little more healthier with the vegetables, or if someone is more favorite of a coriander kind of thing, can be added in that. Your diamond cut onions to garnish.